Hello there, and uh, this is gonna be a drawing video. And as you can see, I almost finished with the sketchbook. And as soon as I finish with the sketchbook, I'm going to also do another video featuring almost all the drawings that are left because I've been drawing lately and lots and stuff. And today I'm going to draw the triceratops because I like dinosaurs. As you can tell by well, not most of my videos, but some of my videos, I drew dinosaurs and stuff. And today I'm going to draw the triceratops. Let's start off with the head. But I can just start off with the horn. The horn in front of its face. I'm going to draw the head right here. Going to draw the mouth. Going to draw its horns. That doesn't look right. I have to correct myself a little bit. Going to draw the horns. Top of the head. Nah, that don't look right. I'm just gonna draw a side preview of the dinosaur. And draw the sides of the dinosaur. And then going to I'm doing a lot of corrections because it can be kind of difficult how to draw these type of dinosaurs and stuff. I'm going to draw the body. Yeah, maybe I should redraw the head a little bit. Nah. I'm going to redraw some features on the head a little bit. Going to draw the horn right here. Yeah, that's a triceratops. Fix the horns a little bit. Yeah, as you can see, I'm constantly redrawing the horns because the horns are kind of tricky. As you know, there are two horns on the head. Yeah, that's better. There are two horns on top of the head. Yep, and that's a triceratops. There's 7 pages I have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 pages left. Ooh. So it might not be a little too late until I make that sketchbook tour video. my third sketchbook tour video, I'm going to show the rest of my drawings that I made so far for the rest of this book. As you see, I wasn't finished before, and now I'm almost finished now. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe if you like the drawing, and that's it.